from Binoy Opaseki, aka Wait and See, and from our amiable state chairman. First and foremost, let me thank God Almighty for giving the governor and those of us who are with him with a sincere mind. As we all know what was going on in Abuja this week, what transpired in Court of Appeal, and the reason why that thing transpired, because the judges, they were caught in the morning where they said they didn't form quorum, therefore they cannot sit. They will communicate a new date to the party concerned. But surprisingly, in the evening, they sit and do what they were not expected to do. But without having paid, I have it in my own belief that they look at the body language of the apex leaders of the party. That is why they do so. The progressive governors of APC in Nigeria met with our amiable president, General Muhammadu Buhari, where they plead with him that the next meeting that was going to take place the following day is our president, as the apex leader, he should please join them to postpone it. And Mr. President saw them at their capacity as a governor, and he granted that appeal and order that meeting should be postponed. And the following day, a day or 2 days after, we start meeting in progressive government. And the good news in it, from the state chairman and the governor yesterday, is that the progressive governor have taken a unanimous decision that Mr. Godwin, known as Opaseki, should be given a ticket to run for second term. Of our great party at the national level, as at the time they were supposed to hold this meeting, the governors, they also tell them, but the number setting must be there. If it's not there, they should not come back to come and give them any report. And the governor was sitting down. This one is not a position that was taken on his behalf, they come to brief him. He even contributed. So, I want all of us to thank God Almighty for doing that. And Mr. Governor also tell us yesterday, in that same place, they also resolved that there must be reconciliation. And we all agree that we will reconcile. But the leader said yesterday, also said, any person who disagree, he will come, he will accept it, but he will go and start the reconciliation from his word. From his word, he will come to NGA. NGA will also submit it and report back to the state, where the state will also report back to the appropriate quarter. And that is the message from the state chairman yesterday. Direct the 10-year-old chairman that is here today, go back to the various world. Yesterday was the day the governor and the state chairman gave us each other. And today I'm holding the NGA meeting, delivering the good message to the good people APC in the government. The General Chairman, you are hereby directed to call an emergency meeting in your ward between tomorrow Sunday and Monday. And as you are visiting, you let me know. I am going to send NGA executive to come and hold the meeting with you people. Go and deliver this message to the people of the world. Therefore, the registration committee, I have inaugurated that of the local government, and I also sure the time whatever you are inaugurated your own. Have you do so? Yes. So continue to hold meeting with them and leaders, councillors, SS, SSA, all of you should get up and go back to your work, continue to mobilize new members. You know, I told you the other day, the government directed that we should have nothing less than 150 members from each unit. But I told you in another meeting we will hold meeting. If you have 30 units in your work, they are coming to the 30 units. If you have 10 units in your work, they are coming to the 10 units. So everybody here, join the work chairman and the committee to ensure that we continue to mobilize these members.
All the leaders, councillors, SSAs, if Governor Obaseki did not lead from the front in fighting for his rights, he is saying no man can subject me to the worst form of human degradation. Obviously, this battle wouldn't have been won. You know that freedom is not like a commodity which is given to the enslaved upon demand. It is the result of persistent struggle. We have struggled, we have won, and today we will celebrate. I want to tell you that, just as he said, progressive governance, even the president, even our opponent, now know that Governor Obaseki is there for second term. When I addressed you led Labour to the government house, the governor said I should address them. I now told them that the Pharaoh you see today, tomorrow you see no more. And what is happening today, as you can see, is a physical manifestation of a spiritual conclusion. If it's not decided, it cannot be decided.
I said it in the last meeting that we should all open our minds and work for the government that is real. When I mean real, in 2016, when I was going to work for the governor, when my father asked me that I must work for Governor Obaseki, it was the one that used that word like a slogan in old governor. That is my organization I used to work for the governor 2016. At the time I presented that oil governor to my dad, my father said something is not complete. I said, Daddy, what is that? He said, Governor Obaseki is real. I now asked my dad, why do you say he's real? He said, time will tell. But today, time has tell. So we now decided again, oil governor is organizing their own. We now have 4+4 ambassadors. Governor Obaseki is real. How is he real? Can't you see what is going on in Edo State today? When my father used that word, Obaseki is real, I didn't understand it. But today, I can see what my father said, Governor Obaseki is real. That the whole Edo people should come out in a mass and vote for Governor Obaseki in 2016. I am saying it again because I know that my father is in me. That Edo people will come out, local government people will come out to work and deliver. But you don't have to equal Obaseki because he's real. He's real in every way. He's a very straightforward person. He wants development. He wants good things for the Edo people. You can see all the infrastructure, everything that is going on in Edo State today. They were all abandoned. Who did that before was my father, my late father. But today, he decided to continue from where those things were being abandoned. You can go to Open Stadium. Open Stadium is like mini Dubai. You can Open Stadium I know before, but when they saw Bermuda Stadium, I still always call it Open Stadium. Yes, Samuel Osago for Bermuda Stadium. So you can see that that name cannot be forgotten. That's the reason why Obaseki name will not be forgotten in the history of Edo State. At the time he finished his 4 years and spent 8 years, then you all will see that yes, Obaseki is real. So please, like I said before, my advice is we should all work for our governor, not to backbite each other, not to blackmail each other, not to go around and be lying. The time for you to be sending text messages and be lying and be telling that this person is EP and that person is this, use that time to go and bring that person to us. Go and bring that person. He said politics is a game of numbers. We cannot do it alone. We all have to work together to deliver our government. How do we do that? Those people over there, wherever they are, like the commissioner said, they are prodigal children. What we need to do is to bring them back home. They are welcome. We should not drive them away. We should not push them away. We should try and bring them back home, where they belong. And where they belong is the real APC in Edo State, the real APC in the local government. What we need to do, we don't need to fight. We appeal to them. We go to their homes and beg them because we need them. So we don't need to drive them away. So those are our brothers and sisters that know how to send text messages. They should deviate from sending text messages to blackmail other people in the local government, but then concentrate, bringing that.
My name is Rumese Omokampor, the LGA local government youth leader. On behalf of my youth leader, I stand to move a vote of confidence on Mr. Godwin. I want to second to move a vote of confidence on Mr. Godwin Obaseki. And the LGA chairmanship of John Olaye, and our great leader, Mr. Paul Omobamu, Commissioner for Orientation.
She's a chairman, I refer to Chairman the Midas Touch. You have performed exceedingly well. In my own reckoning, because I have served in that council, I know the implications of that council. The development in the Gotobe has crossed over. It has been a success story. I thank you so much.
We now support Godwin Obaseki for second tenure. And we support our ECO leader, Chairman Ojo Olaye. We support our Honorable Commissioner, as yes, seconding the motion of vote of confidence on our able and dynamic governor, the way Kassim Governor Godwin Obaseki and his administration entirety. We are passing a vote of confidence on them. And I want to also say a very big vote of confidence on our able and dynamic and able party chairman, Chief Ojo Olaye, the dividend chairman, the #1 chairman in Edo State. I want to put a vote of confidence on him for his doggedness in supporting Godwin Obaseki. Because of him, we are all sure in the local government that wherever he goes, we will all go. Open to our brother Barrister Imade, the motion of the implicit confidence on the government for steering the ship of this state in such a manner that he has done.
government chairman. On behalf of my essays, we stand in protocol of Noel Asel Obaseki. I support him from 10. Essay from 1 to here, we are all here. We support Godwin Obaseki.